Today we have a Samsung S20 5G. The issue with this phone is that phone keeps on searching for cellular service. Customer states that after a screen replacement, phone no longer connects to any type of cellular service, no matter what SIM card it is used. And I did check with different SIM cards, but phone is not connecting to any cell service. So right here we can see that it is not connecting to anything. So usually we have some bars in here for 911 service, but right now it's not connecting to anything. Even if I use different SIM cards, it's not connecting to anything. Someone else did the screen replacement, so we are going to take a look inside. This appears to be a hardware issue rather than a software issue. We already removed the back cover. This is the 5G and 5G antenna. I think there's another one here, and also this flex is responsible for the antennas. And I did notice that this piece is broken, so I think this piece is responsible for connecting the antennas to the chassis. That's probably why we are not getting any signal, so we're going to replace this piece. So here's the piece that is broken. So here's the replacement. So this connector right here is broken. And I also ordered the other flex. We should have some bars, at least for 911 calls. If we get some bars, that means the phone is fixed. Oh, I see some bars right here. Yeah, we got a bunch of bars now. Yeah, only 6. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.